Good morning, class. Welcome to Science PT School. This is your science class, and in previous class we were doing chapter number 3, that is reproduction in animal. So, and we have already covered up to 170 page number, second paragraph. We have completed up to this. Now today we are going to start from here. Okay, so actually what we are discussing about in last class we are discussing about that the different types of animals have a different way to for their reproduction. For example, some animals lay eggs also, some animals lay young ones also. Okay, so this is the type of reproduction in animal. So today we are going to see how a snake and tortoise used to reproduce. So in a pink color box you will see one point is written here: four or five ostrich hens lay their eggs in the same nest. Okay, so where the animals which used to lay the eggs, where they used to lay the eggs, in their nest they used to build their nest, their house before laying the egg. So it is written that it's a just a point for your information that four or five ostrich hens are like the bigger size hen, you can say, or the it's a variety of ostrich hen only. Okay, सो 4 और 5 ऑस्ट्रिच hen lay their eggs in the same nest. वो लोग क्या करते हैं, एक ही घोंसले में दो तीन ऑस्ट्रिच hen एक साथ एग को ले करते हैं, मतलब अंडा देते हैं. ओके, now snakes, tortoises, crocodiles, etc. dig pits in the soil and lay their eggs. They cover them with the mud. The eggs get warmth from the sun and after some weeks hatch into the young ones. The young ones looks like their parents and they do not get any protection from their parents. Now, in the case of chick, in the case of hen, when we were studying about that how the chick comes out of the egg before when the chick when the bird or the hen lay eggs, what they used to do, they used to hatch those eggs. They used to provide a proper temperature for their आउटकम, मतलब उनके निकलने के लिए उनको एक प्रॉपर टेम्परेचर उनके एग के अंदर देना पड़ता है. सो बाय दैट टाइम व्हाट दैट योल्क ट्रांसफॉर्म्स इनटू अ चिक एंड after that chick comes out. But in case of tortoise and snakes and tortoise के केस में ऐसा नहीं होता है. जैसे कि चिक के केस में hen या बर्ड खुद अपने अंडे को हैच करती थी. हैच इज द प्रोसेस ऑफ प्रोवाइडिंग वार्मथ टू द एग. उनको एक प्रॉपर स्पेसिफिक टेम्परेचर देना होता है जो उनके बर्ड की फर की हेल्प से होता है. ओके, सो that process is also called incubation. So in case of snakes and tortoise, they do not lay eggs in their nest. Where they used to lay their eggs, they used to lay eggs in the pits मतलब गड्ढे. पहले वो मतलब जब उनको egg देना होता है, then what they used to do, they used to dig the pit, मतलब एक गड्ढा खोदते हैं और उसके अंदर वो अंडे देते हैं. After once the egg comes out, what they used to do, they used to cover those eggs with the mud के हेल्प से उनको कवर करते हैं. एंड that the eggs inside the that mud gets a proper temperature due to the presence of sunlight. वो sunlight की हेल्प से उनको एक proper temperature मिलता है. And in this way eggs comes into a young ones, and young ones mostly look like their parents only. Okay, so what is specific point to note here that कि उनको इन केस में parents they do not used to hatch their eggs. They used to just keep the mud on it, and due to sunlight those eggs get a proper temperature for hatching. Okay, now move to the again there is in a pink color box a very important point is written here. The eggs of some snakes hatch into the bodies of the females and they give birth to young snakes. कुछ सांपों को जो अंडा होता है, द एग्स ऑफ द सम स्नेक्स हैच इन द बॉडीज ऑफ द फीमेल्स. ओके, सो कुछ like few snakes used to hatch eggs in their female body, female snakes. But most of them what they used to do, they used to lay eggs in the pits and they used to hatch through sunlight. But some few exceptions are there that few female insects they used to keep those eggs in their body only, near to their body, and they used to hatch in with that process. Now the stages of an organism from the embryo till it turns into the an adult is called life cycle. ओके सो एम्ब्रॉय जब एक पूरा एक एडल्ट बन जाता है, दैट पर्टिकुलर टाइम पीरियड इज कॉल्ड लाइफ साइकिल. किसी का भी, जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल एंड ह्यूमन बींग्स ऑल्सो, लाइक फ्रॉम द इन्फेंट फ्रॉम द इन्फेंट स्टेज ऑफ द लाइफ, व्हेन दे बिकम टू द एडल्ट, proper adult, then that specific period of life is called their life cycle. The number of stages in the life cycle differs for different organism. Number of stages in the life cycle differs for different organism. For example, in human beings, what happens first? Infant, then they grow into the kid, then grow into the children, then adult, and then teenagers, and then adult, and then old. So it is not like that every organism has a similar lifestyle, the similar life cycle. Okay, ऐसा नहीं है कि कोई सब ये स्पेसिफिक पाथ फॉलो करते हैं. एवरी ऑर्गेनिज्म हैज देयर स्पेसिफिक वे ऑफ लाइफ साइकिल. ओके, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल सी द व्हाट इज द लाइफ साइकिल ऑफ फ्रॉग, व्हाट आर द स्टेजेस ऑफ द लाइफ साइकिल इन द frog's life. Okay, so if you look closely into the shallow waters of a pond, you will see tiny wiggling creatures that look like small fish, but these are baby frogs. Okay, so sometimes might be you observed sometimes that on the upper layer of the water you will see that some wiggling small tiny black things is like floating on the above outer surface of the water. But what is that? It seems like almost look like a fish, only baby fish, but actually it is not a fish, it is a baby of, or you can say the larva of frog. Okay, so it is also known as baby frog. A female frog lays its egg in a pond or a lake. फीमेल फ्रॉग कहाँ ले करती है? दे यूजुअली ले देयर एग्स इन अ वाटर ओनली. और वो जो विगलिंग क्रिएचर्स वी यूज टू सी ऑन द अपर सर्फेस ऑफ द वाटर, दैट इज नॉट द बेबी फिश, दैट इज द eggs, or you can say baby frogs floating in the water. These are called spawn. Baby frog is also known as spawn. The eggs hatch into 3 weeks and tadpoles comes out. Okay, so it is almost a type of like egg only, जिसको हम spawn बोलते हैं. So it's like a egg structure only, or you can see small fishes, baby fishes structure only. So later on when hatching period overs, hatching period जब इसका खत्म हो जाता है, and who comes out, that is tadpole. Tadpole is again it's a baby frog. एकदम जो छोटा frog होता है, that is called tadpole. Okay, so directly doesn't tadpole comes out of the frog. First egg mass, or you can say spawn, comes out of the frog, female frog, and then later on it converts into tadpole, that is baby frog. Again they look like they look like tiny fish with a long tail and have gills for breathing. So as they have to survive inside a water, so we all know that inside a water how they used to respire, either through skin or either through gills. But in what tadpole uses their gills in a tadpole like a stage. They are provided with the gills, so by the help of gills they used to like breathe in water. So that is the reason why they can survive inside the water also, and they have a long tail like a fish and have gills for breathing. They slowly develop hind legs and forelegs, but still have a stubby tail. मतलब hind slowly gradually what they start developing their forelegs and hind legs. आगे का पैर और पीछे का पैर वो धीरे धीरे start developing, and still in this stage also they will be with they have long tail. The young frog